Are you ready for a flood? Here's some tips so you're prepared. Make sure to get family photos, personal IDs, and insurance cards up high and out of the way. You don't want to get that stuff wet. It's important. Floodwater is dangerous. There's chemicals and you don't even know what else. Make sure you're up high above flooding water. If you see a barricade, it's there for a reason, duh. Don't go around it, don't drive through it. You want to drive through a flood? No. Remember, disasters don't wait. Make sure you and your family are ready.